Hello, thank you for joining me. Well, I'm pleased to announce that XP metal detectors have now released the latest update for the Deus II, and it's called version 1. Within this short video, I'm just going to show you how to update your machine and your headphones. There's some slight changes to the original way of updating, and it's using a platform via the XP website. So to start off with, you need to go onto the XP website, sign up for an account with a username and password, and that'll give you access to the updater. And it may also be worth noting that previous versions of Deus updates were Windows PC only, but now this new update is Mac compatible, so that's good news. So before we start the update, it's important to know that there's two leads to update the machine. There's a separate lead for the RC and a separate lead for the headphones. For the Deus II module, the RC, you use your standard 3-port charging lead because it's got the screw on the back there. But for the headphones, the WSAII XLs, the WS6 and the WSAIIs, you will need the single data lead supplied with your machine. So once you've logged on, you will get the connect your device screen. Click that and that will take you through the step-by-step updater. You'll see the tabs on the top, Deus 1, WS6, WSAII, and just follow the on-screen instructions, especially the first time you update your Deus, because you need to access the white update screen which connects your Deus to your PC. When you've reached step number 10, you need to press the arrow one more time to access the XP Deus update procedure. It may be worth noting that the white box that appears at the end of the sequence will only appear the first time you update your Deus. In future updates, your PC will remember the Deus has been connected, so this box won't crop up and the process will be a little bit quicker. Now we're going to go through the WS6 step by step. And now the WSAII, which requires a sequence of button presses to access the updater. With the updater and the on-screen instructions, you can take as much time as you want, but what I want to do here is update the Deus II in real time. Go to the General Program, Options, scroll down until you see Settings, press Select, keep going down until you see Update. Once you've got to update, just press Select again. Do you want to confirm the update? Yes. Press the arrow one more time to access the XP Deus update procedure. And you will now see on the top left hand corner, Deus II. Click Connect. Select version 1 from the drop down, then click Update and you'll see it erasing the software. Now that's done, we're going into the programming. This will only take a few seconds. Well, that's it. That's your XP Deus II updated. Let's go on to the WS6 now and follow the on-screen instructions. First of all, we select Connect Your Device, and once we've selected that, we go into the Update interface where we select the tab on the top right hand corner saying WS6, and then we follow the on-screen instructions, remembering to use the single update cord for the headphones. Remember, after step 7 of 7, you still need to press the arrow again to open up the XP updater. We hit the cogwheel, single presses until we come to Settings, and once we're in Settings, use a long press to access the sub-menu, single presses again to go down until we see Update. And there it is, another long press to activate the update, and the tick to confirm it. And now plug your WS6 into your laptop, press the arrow one more time and the updater will open up. Click Deus II, connect, to initiate the update. Select from the drop down menu version 1 and you'll see on the right hand bar there your current version and the new version. Just press update and we'll go back into the erasing and the programming sequence. So that's the WS6 updated. Now let's go on to updating the WSAII and the WSAII XL headphones. They both use the same procedure, but it's worth bearing in mind we need to concentrate on a certain button press sequence, and the timing here is vital. So what you have to do is press the left minus button first, then the plus button, and you have to hold both buttons down for 12 seconds while watching the top light blink. As soon as the top light changes its sequence after 12 seconds, then you can update the headphone modules. So here we go, let's have a look at the on screen. First of all, connect your device and we select WSAII from the top right hand tab. Here we go, left button first, then the right button, hold them down for 12 seconds and watch that light flash in. There we go, click next and it's telling you to plug in the single-sided lead again, and now plug it into your computer. Click the arrow once again and the updater box will appear. Select Deus II and then connect to initiate the update. Select version 1, click update and it's all going to happen. Unplug your device and you're good to go. That's updated the WS headphones, the WS6 and the XP Deus RC to the new version 1 software. Go out there, have some fun. Bye for now.